playing the boat game. Here's the boat. Let's go to the boiler. I'm a Kohler, alright? This is chat. Bro, I already have chat. It's not like I can chat, bro. Look. Huh, that's what I see. Anyways, open this. I can open it. Yes. Open this. It's flooding. The ship. What the heck? It's sinking. Guys, everyone. Help. Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh shoot. It's flooding real bad. I'm underwater. I'm losing oxygen. Fire. There's a fire. Oh shoot, guys, run! Gotta go run. This dude just gotta go. This dude, bro, let me go. It's not letting me go, please. I need to survive, bro. Please, boats, help, boats. There's boats. Yes, lifeboats. I need the lifeboats. Come on, please. Okay, get on this. Guys, the ship is sinking. Holy crap. I'm very tired. Stay out of water. Stop jumping. I'm not jumping. I mean, I was jumping a little. But now it won't let me jump. Okay, I'm fine. Guys, I'm fine. New Haven, slip. Oh! Guys! We are sinking. Okay. They did not pull the lifeboat. Alright. Guys, help! I got a ticket. What's this ticket? Can't leave yet. Okay, since they can't chat, let's see. No. Don't know. Bro, there's two chats. Glitch. Good morning. I don't know. Okay, they have such weird ones. So, I don't know if they can break the system. They break the system. Hey. Hello. Wait. Guys, we can go. Go right there and I sold right there. A boat. There's a boat. Guys, there's another boat. Hopefully the other boat does not. Hopefully this boat does not sink because the other boat is underwater. What happened to the smoke thing? I forgot what it's called. Like it fell off. The yellow thing right there. See that? See that on that boat? Like the yellow and there's black on the top. I forgot. That's a chimney. I mean, what happened to the chimney? Oh, why is there only like one chimney? What is chimney? It's for the coal thing. That's why we need chimneys. Sometimes boats don't need chimneys, but they actually do. I'm exhausted. Why is it not letting me jump no more? It's not letting me jump. That's stupid, bro. It says because of this. Oh, shoot. The boat disappeared. Oh, never mind. Guys, we survived. I survived. Alright, let's vote. I want this. Explosion. Vote for boiler explosion. I need the explosion, bro. Because I'm going to the boiler. The ocean! You can swim in the ocean, bro? No way. I can't swim, bro. Let's go to boiler. Oh, we're in the boiler. Okay, let's shovel this coal. Shoveling coal. Hey, I'm shoveling coal. Let me shovel this coal. What is she doing? Back up. Dang it, I don't know. No passengers beyond this point. Bro, no passengers. No, why is there a passenger in here? Ah, slip. I slipped on coal. No passengers. There's no passengers. Oh, I got some drink. Oh yeah, oh yeah. First aid first. Emergency on. Okay, first aid. What about this too? Emergency on. Okay. Guys, it's so chill on this nice one. What a nice soda. What a nice day. What a nice day. What a nice kid. Bro, my mouth is moving and I'm blinking. That's creepy a little. I guess Roblox is supposed to do that. I don't know what happened to the classics faces, but I missed them. For sure. Oh, I can see the lockdown doors. There's one over. Guys, we haven't even drive the boat yet. The boat hasn't even moved yet. Crew only. Aww, I want to be crew, but cause Robux. The crew. I don't understand why crew cause Robux. It's just like literally a waste. That's a waste of Robux, bro. But anyways, yeah, here we go. Guys, there's another boat that don't have no chimney. See, I told you boats don't have to have chimneys like this. See, wait, what's in here? Oh, I'm just checking so what's in the chimney. Nothing is in the chimney, just smoke coming out. It's supposed to be smoke in the chimney from the boiler room. That's why. Well, they're driving the boat, bro. Bro, when are we gonna go? People are arriving at the boat. People are arriving at the boat like this. They're at the boat. But, let me go back. I'm gonna go back. Wait, why do I jump like that? Wait, what? Why do I jump like that? Wait, I think all people are supposed to jump like that. Am I getting hacked? Is my oh, everyone jumped like that. Oh, that's why. Okay. I don't know what happened to my aura jump. Hey, why are you closing the door, bro? Open it. Bruh. Ooh, put some water. Okay. What's my hunger? Energy is up. Okay, when are we gonna go now? I need to go. Oh, it's departing. New Haven is departing. It's gonna depart, guys. What's in here? Guys, we're gonna go. Okay, let me get on. Not really. Where's it gonna go eat breakfast? I don't know. Yeah. Probably cooked. But anyways, let's go and approach it. And approach it. And approach it. 3, 2, 1, depart! It's not departing. Oh yeah, it's not. Duh! Oh no! I'm stuck in water. Help, help, I did not mean to! Wait! It's departing now. Hold on! No, shoot! Oh shit. Guys, get out! Please, let me see. I need to see. Oh, shoot. Guys, we're departing now. Goodness, this is stupid. I did not mean to fall. Alright, here we go. Okay, we're jumping. I'm trying to get on top. How do I get on top? Bro, get me on top, bro. The party is kind of boring. I'm gonna go in the boiler room. It's so chill on the boat, bro. Hey, what happened to my drink? Cola, please. Hey, let me get down there. Okay, down here. See the secret. Let's see down here. I'm trying to see what's down here. I went to go get some cola. Where's the cola at? Oh, I got some Black Sea cola. Ah, that's so good. Ooh, what is a seat? That is not a seat. That is a bed, bro. That is a bed. Why is the bed so small? Why is the bed so small? That don't make no sense. Guys, I don't know why the bed's so small. But, okay, full ahead. Okay, we're gonna go full ahead. Guys, oh no. What does it say, bro? I'm eating. What? I could get some drink. Oh, I need a drink. Guys, I'm gonna go eat. Is that rice? Okay, I guess that's rice. Hopefully not sauce. If it was sauce, then it'll be sauce. If it was eating sauce, then I'll be cooked. Why is there knives? Guys, that's creepy that there's just knives sitting there. In the Roblox game, not in real life, alright? In the Roblox game. Please, YouTube, don't ban me. I just said it in the Roblox game, alright? But anyways, is this a dinga? Woo! Ding the bell. Oh, ding it. Can I? What is this only for emergencies? Okay, guys, here's the generator. Guys, why is it moving so slow? Oh. What the heck? I'm lagging. Guys, I'm lagging a little. What are they doing? Wait, open this door. Open. Open! Stop lagging. It's just gonna keep on lagging. Let me in, bro. I wanna get in. Bro, stop trying to turn it off. I'm trying to get in, bro. Let me in. Guys, hurry! Get up. Get up, bro. It's so slow. Laggy. What the heck? Hey! I slipped. Get up. Bro, why y'all closing these doors? It don't make no sense. Let me see. Oh my God, you dummies! You guys are dummies. Bro, get this door out of here. You move, bro. Move. Move out of my way. You better move out of my way. Oh! Explosion! Hey, did you see that explosion? Who was in there? Who was in there? Guys, who was in there? Guys, I don't know. What happened? Just had to happen. Guys, there was explosion in there. I saw it. I saw an explosion. I swear. Guys, why is our ship moving? It was an explosion, right? I guess it's just a dream. I'm probably dreaming, but still chill. Bro, stop. Open the door, man. Close this. Okay. Guys, what is going on? Oh, nothing. Oh, okay, well, that's cool. We're so cool. Chill. Yeah, chill. So chill. Okay, I could get a life jacket now. Why are they telling us to get a life jacket now? Why are they telling us, huh? First aid too? Okay, I got my first aid. Let's put it on here. Okay. Can I put it on here? No. I don't think so. I don't think you can put it anywhere. Guys, help! Raise. Okay, isn't it? Guys, we're sinking, right? No, we're not sinking. We're just... Oh, yeah, we're sinking. We're sinking. Right. Oh, shoot. It's dangerous. Guys, it's dangerous. I'm stuck. Okay, it's done. Guys, help. Oh, I'm gonna die. Okay, guys, I gotta go eat. So watch what happened. I'm gonna go eat. Alright? I'm gonna go. Just sit on here, bro. Sit on here. Oh no, the boat. Yeah, guys, we're sinking a lot. Warning, we're sinking a lot. no, what happened? Oopsie. An earthquake. Guys, there's an earthquake problem. Are you sunk? No, I'll go up. Ship is not sinking. Guys, we departed. Guys, we're gonna have to chill now. Okay. Alright, here we go. I'm just gonna sit down and I'm just chill. Dang. Soon. I'll be back again. What happened again? I'm still sitting here. The hover sunk. My screen shaking. I don't want to play no more. Oh shoot! Tsunami! Never mind. There's a tsunami. Oh my gosh! Oh shoot, man. Okay, do that thing. Pull. Okay, pull. Nope. Okay, he can't pull that. I'm gonna have to die. I'm going to die. That was a tsunami. What the? Oh, 99. Chat, what is going on here? Yeah, I gotta tick my ticket. That's my ticket. Okay, get on. Oh. Bro, why is that fast? Like a high pitch of Coca-Cola drinking sound. It's a high pitch one. But anyway, I'm scared. Too. Ah. Let's see the difference of it. Oh shoot! No, the chimney is gone. Guys, the boat is successfully underwater. Oh, except for that power line or something. I don't know. I'm gonna call it power line. But is he drinking a potion? Guys! Oh shoot, man! We gonna die. Guys, we are gonna get cooked by this. Because we're in the middle of nowhere. We're in the ocean, guys. We're in the ocean! And it's night. Guys, it's night. It's night. Oh no, it's night! Coffee, please. Soda, please. Okay, I don't know. RDK. Guys, there's a boat arriving. We're in the middle of nowhere. And it's morning already? That was a minute of night, bruh. But we're in the nowhere of the oceans, guys. We're in the middle of nowhere. Guys. Guys, we're in the middle of nowhere, alright? We are at the middle of nowhere. There is nothing but a boat. We're gonna have to fly all the way back home. Boat all the way back home. I don't know. It could have been. Hey, they could make a plane game where the plane crash, and you're in the middle of the ocean, and you have to like in another, and the boat comes, and yeah, just like this, just like this game. I'm going here. Woo! I can go in here. Guys, it's chill in this boat too. Hey! I fell off. I fell off. Guys, I fell off. Dang, this boat is small. Oh, they have chairs and everything. Do they have the underground thing? Oh, shoot. Okay. But anyways, guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video. Woo-yah!